why would it be difficult for you to get a taxi? Go.
The taxi comes late.
Difficult. In the province. Malayo.
Malayo. Kapag nasa province ka, malayo.
Okay, nice.
Diba? Baka nga walang taxi. In the province.
Oh.
Ana, so if you're a passenger, why would it be difficult for you to get a taxi?
Walang pera.
Walang
Nice.
pera yan. Nandyan ba ang walang pera? Wala rin.
Sayang.
Si Rica naman. Rica, kung pasahero ka, mahihirapan kang humanap o kumuha ng taxi. Kung
Walang booking app.
walang booking app. Services. Wala rin. JB,
Nope.
kung pasahero ka, mahihirapan kang kumuha o humanap ng taxi kung blank.
Malayo yung pupuntahan.
Yan, malayo
Okay.
yung pupuntahan. Because if it's far. Nandyan ba yan, survey? Yes.
Nice.
Alright, JB, pass. Okay.
Try again for the top answer.
Alright. Tim, balik muna tayo. Let's go back. Ana? Lawrence, kung pasahero ka, mahihirapan kang humanap o kumuha ng taxi kung blank.
Kapag rush hour.
Rush hour.
Alright, you got it.
Rush hour.
Yes.
Ngayon, rush hour ngayon. Kaya binabati natin yung mga nanonood sa kalsada. Kung nasan man kayo, sa bus, o nakapila sa terminal. Hello po sa inyo. Eric,
Yay.
kung pasahero ka, mahihirapan kang humanap o kumuha ng taxi kung blank.
Pag madami kami.
May rule na parang ilan.
Alright, that's what I like.
Diba?
If you guys are too plenty, it's hard for you to get a taxi.
Kung marami sila. Yes,
Okay.
Ana? Kung pasahero ka, if you're a passenger, mahihirapan kang humanap ng taxi kung blank.
Umulan.
Kung umuulan.
Okay.
May mga lugar kasi na may
Yeah, especially when it rains so hard, it may be hard to get a taxi. There's no easy way.
JB, kung pasahero ka, mahihirapan kang humanap o kumuha ng taxi kung blank.
Maraming dala.
Kahon-kahon.
Oo,
balik
Okay.
box.
Nice.
Nandyan bang maraming dala? Yes. Dalawa na lang, Lawrence. Kung pasahero ka, mahirap kumuha ng taxi kung blank.
Sayang.
Okay lang.
First strike so far.
Ano kaya? Bakit kaya mahirap kumuha ng
I
taxi?
thought you got
kung
so many
pasahero?
strikes already.
Madaling araw na.
Yan.
Alanganing oras.
Hindi lang din kasi ang mga namamasada pag madaling araw.
Yes.
Nandyan ba ang madaling araw?
Okay, very good.
One more, Ana. Isa na lang. Kung pasahero ka, mahihirapan kang humanap o kumuha ng taxi kung blank.
Wala kang...
Wait, tawa.
Okay lang. May isa pang chance, JP. Isa pang pagkakataon. Kung pasahero ka, mahihirapan kang kumuha ng taxi kung
May kasama kang bata.
pag may kasamang bata. Services.
Sorry.
For the second time, masistil kaya, Anthony? Kung pasahero ka, mahirapan kang humanap ng taxi kung blank.
Walang nadaan.
Kung walang nadaan, walang dumadaan. Rika?
Cashless.
Cashless? Hindi tumatanggap ng cash. Slim, why would it be difficult for you to get a taxi?
Pila.
Pila. Maraming pila.
Nice, that's what I said. No taxi to be get.
Kung pasahero
One
ka,
takes the long
mahirapan
line.
kang humanap, kumuha ng taxi kung blank.
Mahabang pila.
Mahabang pila.
Very good.
Sumunod sa kay Kuya Queen. Services.
It's not there. Sorry.
Bigyan natin number 6, please.
Mataba, that means a fat person riding a taxi?
Ito po talaga yung lumabas
Weird.
sa survey. Hindi tayo sang-ayon dito. Pero yun talaga yung lumabas, di ba? Anyway, exciting po ang laban dahil pare-parehong nakascore ng dalawang teams. Leading so far ang Bailosis squad with 84, habang may 59 points pa rin ang Team Ross Pinoy. Kaya guys,
Nice job.
kasi